All nouns or adjectives in my video belongs to جمع المذكر السالم, sound masculine plural. But what does it mean, جمع المذكر السالم? It means that the single form of the word does not change. We do not delete or add any letters in the beginning or the middle of the word. The only changes we do is adding a suffix una or ina at the last letter of the word. متفائلون, متفائلين. We add una or ina depending on the grammatical context of the sentence. Technically, the suffix una or ina is for the masculine plural, but it can also mean a group of people, mixed men and women. If you exclusively want the feminine plural, then you need to add the suffix atin or atun, depending on the context of the sentence. صادق, صادقات, صادق, صادقات, صادقات, صادقات. Again, this video is for the masculine plural. I will be making another video for the feminine plural. مسلمون, مسلمون, Muslims. صابرين, صابرين, patience. شاكرون, شاكرون, thankful ones. مؤمنين, مؤمنين, believers. راكعون, راكعون, those who bow down. صائمين, صائمين, those who fast. ساجدون, ساجدون, those who prostrate. ذاكرين, those who remember. مصلين, مصلين, those who pray. صادقين, صادقين, truthful.